here we go. We're ready.
All right.
I did it before by myself.
There we go. You want to push open the gate? What'd you say, Danny?
Oh, I was just talking to her.
Oh. Alright, let's close the gate back up real fast. Alright, come on the other side. You're going to get locked out. Now, we don't have to latch it up real tight. We'll just do it like...
No, let me.
Well, let me do this one because I don't want it to pinch you. It'll pinch you sometimes. Alright, let's get in.
Yay!
Not over here because we're in a bunch of wires here. Look at that sticking me on my dress. Going out. I'll take it off.
Get on out of here, young ladies.
Okay, here we go. Look here. Here's a pretty ripe
okay, bring
cluster.
them to the camera and hold them still for just a second.
Hang on, Esther.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, so look, I'm gonna pick the whole cluster off. Esther, look. So we were out here hunting cattle the other day and saw these elderberries. And I thought, oh man, that's great. I didn't even know there were any here.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Turn around, let me see
them in
you,
the
Esther.
bucket. Here, turn them another way. No.
Time, honey.
Turn them that way.
There you go.
Everybody can see them.
Beautiful little girl behind the elderberries.
Elijah?
Elijah's
You wanna
just
hold
eating
some?
yogurt.
He's just like, give me some yogurt. Oh, they're pretty easy to
The
pick.
cattle are over there hollering.
A stink bug.
There's a few green
And
ones
some
in
of
here too.
my
But they're pretty
berries.
good. Now, we're going to save these. Look here. And what we're going to do is freeze them and then cook them off when we have time.
Mm-hmm.
Here's sugar.
We make it enough where we can add them to our elderberry syrup. You know that what we bought? That little packet.
I think there should
Bug
be
just
enough.
came in here.
We haven't ever made elderberry syrup, so we'll see how many it takes.
Wait, Dad, let's
Wanna
make
hold the bucket, darling?
elderberry ice cream today.
Ooh, neat. Well, we'd
Sounds
probably
yummy.
make a syrup and then
Let's make
take
elderberry
that
syrup.
and pour it over some ice cream is probably what you could do.
Yes.
You know they have an elderberry
let's
jelly,
also
Esther?
make elderberry. Let's make elderberry jelly too.
Yeah.
Here you go. Here you go, Mama.
Thank
Something's
you.
eating these off or they're falling off one or both. Right here, our bucket ain't quite big enough.
Nope. Let's see if there's any evidence of them falling. I guess the birds are doing it.
Well, I mean, when they get so ripe, they fall too. But yeah, I mean. So those have got a little green. See, there's a little bit up here. Oh, there's another cluster up yonder. Here, sugar, hold that.
What's that?
Thank you. Get by the briars here.
Bum, 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 bum. And just get out. You need to be careful from the briars.
Here,
There's
Liza.
briars on the elderberries.
Go on, here, hold them.
Yes, I am going to shake them in the bucket.
No. Oh, here. Come here. Keep your hands clean, okay? So don't get the berries all dirty. Okie doke. And we want to watch where we're stepping. Make sure there ain't no snakes over here.
Mama's looking.
Now, I'm going to pull this branch down here to pull these where I can get them a little closer. Here, Elijah, hold this, buddy. Please. Thank you.
I ate an elderberry.
Well, you just don't eat too many of them so you don't get
I
sick.
ate a. Oh my word! Look, there's a bunch of ants down there.
So, do y'all remember why we don't want to eat a lot of elderberries?
No,
You don't. How about you, Esther?
I don't.
Okay. So elderberries are kind of like a medicine. They have a little cyanide in them, which cyanide we know is poison. But you know, between medicine and poison, there's a fine line between the two.
There's a praying mantis on here. Oh,
Oh,
there's a
my
praying
word.
mantis on there.
Yeah.
Let me get it. Don't touch it.
I didn't even see it.
What is it called?
We'll go back to the praying mantis. They are good bugs. They kill and eat the bad bugs that eat our crops.
So they're like superheroes of the farm.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, ain't it?
I like these elderberries.
We like them
Yeah.
now, don't we?
So don't eat many, remember? Why did I say don't eat many? Look at me, listen. Why did I say, honey?
Because they have poison.
They have a little bit of cyanide, which is like a poison. So what we do is cook them to cook that cyanide out of them.
Two.
Huh?
Can we eat two elderberries?
Well, yeah, two ain't gonna hurt you. These look like they're starting to dry.
Is that yummy?
Mmm,
Here.
yummy.
Let me see your tongue. I thought it might stain it, but it didn't. Here comes Rosie being nosy.
Nosy Rosie. Okay. You want to see if we can find any more?
I'm gonna pull this whole thing down.
Rosie? Rosie? Hey, girl. Hey, girl, what are you doing, you little kitty pie? Yeah, you're such a good girl.
Mama, I want to go over here. I've never been over here.
Beautiful. Daddy, are we ready to turn around and go?
Yeah, we need to get you in the bed.
No, I'm not ready. I saw a berry under there. Great.
All right, let's go get in the Polaris. We gotta get out of here. Getting dark. You know what that means? What comes out at night?
Coyotes.
What is it, Esther?
Coyotes.
Coyotes. babies, and what noise do they make? More like screaming and hollering, but anyway.
I just tore the
Daddy's gonna come and pick us up.
Mom, you said on the way back to Mimi and Papa's dog can get yogurt.
Yeah, we'll stop and get
I want to
you
get
one.
yogurt again.
Again?
Yes.
Yeah, y'all didn't eat very much lunch, so I guess you would want a little something. That's fine.
This is to whip my dad.
You're silly.
He said hi.
There's Daddy to save us. Let's go. I like to climb up in the middle.
Oh! Why did the sucker do that to me?
All right, let's go.
Why did the sucker do that to me?
Ready?
Ready?
I want to hold the camera. I want to hold the camera. I want to hold the camera.
Watch your fingers.
Everybody sing. Something kind of wild. Oh my gosh.
Over by the smokehouse. Get Esther, or the well house, get Esther a yogurt.
I want another yogurt. I am definitely getting another yogurt.
All right, let's get the gate getters.
I'm not a gate
Yeah,
getter.
you are. Get out
I'm
there.
not a gate
Come on,
getter.
let's go.
Esther's a
I'm not a
gate gal and Elijah's a
Esther's a
gate guy.
gator getter.
Gate gal and gate guy.
Gate gal, gate gal, gate gal.
Okay, girlfriend, I'll help you.
Oh, that's so fun.
That's a silver duckling baby.
Hi.
Say silver duckling.
Come on. Okay.
You wanted to hug it.
What shark was? It's not big.
Yeah.
You want to love on it? Before I put it
It's
back?
growing though.
Oh,
Don't kiss them, baby.
all right. You got she said, Katie. You hear that? No. I'll get them. Hey,
You have
this
to
one
be
is
careful.
hot.
These are
No.
little bitty
Yeah, we don't
babies.
want to touch these. Okay, they're too
Mom.
tiny.
Can they pet me? Can they do this? Can they just rub
Look at
my
this one with that little top hat with that yellow in it.
Oh.
Hey, sweetie. Don't.
But I want to lick me.
They don't lick you, baby.
Like pig.
That's so cute. So you want them to pet you and you want them to lick you?
Here.
Wish I could get their faces.
Calm down now. You're getting this little eyeball. Pet its back.
That's called a Polish chicken. Can you say Polish?
Polish. Say Polish.